Hello everyone, this is Povida Pro. This is the app we are going to be building today. This is our onboarding screen. Our onboarding screen is a kind of screen that provides more information about our app to our users. So now the onboarding screen is the first screen we're going to be creating on this Povida Pro mobile app. So we are creating this particular app with React Native. And also we are integrating the backend using the main stack technology, that is MongoDB, Express, Node.js, and React Native. So we are trying to create this app. We make it very simple to follow along. We make it very simple to understand. We make the code very simple so the junior developers or aspirants can follow along very easily. So the first screen, after the onboarding screen, we need to direct our users to our login screen, which is this particular screen here. So this is our login screen where user can log into their accounts. But if the user doesn't have an account on our app, they need to go back to we can skip this body screen. So if they don't have an account, they can click on sign up to get an account on our application. So they can log in with their email. They can create an account here with their email. So if they are inputting a particular email that is not legit, an error, this red arrow will pop up here and let them know that this Gmail is wrong. So they're going to put in the real Gmail and the error is going to disappear. So now they're going to input their password. So once they input their password, the password must be more than 6 characters, and if it is not, an error is going to pop up. So you can click on this component here. I'm going to teach you how to do all these things from beginner's level. So now we can click on sign up to continue the onboarding, user onboarding. So now we are here where we can update our profile picture, and the user can update their name, their nickname, their email, and also their date of birth. And they can also input their phone number. So this is just this. Would you like to see this password? Is a default function, a default functionality of iOS. So we don't need this in our app right now. So we can skip this onboarding screen. The user can skip, and the user can continue to input their details here. And something cool about this mobile app is the calendar. Let me show you the calendar functionality here. You can see we have a calendar pop up from the bottom of the app, and we can choose dates, we can choose months, we can choose year, and everything is responsive. So if we click on 15, it's going to automatically choose 15 for us. That will be 15 August 2024. So if we close this now, that will be the date on our user account. So we can update our phone number. Let us update our phone number here. So we can update our username. So let me put my name here. So if I can let me put my name here. So also my nickname will be here. And here I can just click on this update profile and a picture. I can choose any picture of my choice, and I can also crop them. So if it is on the user mobile app, it's going to show the user gallery, not this particular gallery. So we can click on continue. So this will direct the user where they can set their pin. So let me set a particular pin here. So now let me continue in this particular pin, and the fingerprint setup is going to come up here. And I'm going to input my Mac password. It can request for your own password, so you put your system password. So you will click on enter. That will pop up, and I'm going to okay. So when we click on continue, a congratulations message pop up on our screen that is telling us that our account is ready to be used and will be redirected to the home page in a few seconds. So now let us continue. Now he's trying to tell us to log in with the particular information that we use to create an account. So now we use this Gmail. So we use this Gmail to create an account, and we let us use the password that we used the other time. So let us click on remember me. So this is going to store our username and password on the Expo async storage. So now let us click on login. If you click on login now, it's going to direct us to the user dashboard. So this particular function came up again. So let us click on up now. So now this is our user dashboard, our user homepage, where user can have access to all the services being rendered on the Provider Pro booking app. So on this particular app, user can book for cleaning services, repairing services, painting services, laundry services, appliance services, and so on and so forth. So the user can also check for a services here using advanced filtering. Advanced filtering in React Native is another complex project, but we're going to make it simple, and we're going to teach you how to implement advanced filtering in your mobile app in this tutorial. So user can click on any booking here, and user can add any booking to their favorites by clicking on this like button. So user can click on any booking, and this booking page is going to pop up. So user can book now. User can increase or decrease the type of services they want the provider to render to them. So user can pay for all services. User can select custom dates when with the working hours and the dates you want the service to be delivered. User can create services, and user can also make payments for the services. So we have this bottom sheet here. I will teach you how to integrate bottom sheets in your mobile application using React Native. We have a lot of repository that talks about this particular bottom sheets, and we're going to implement them. I'm going to teach you how to use them. So we have this Google location here using Google Map location. So here, user can click on a particular address, and this will pop up. So once this pop up, the user can check the address, the phone number, and user can continue. So the user have different payment method options, which is Visa card, PayPal, and Apple Pay. The user can also add more payment method. So the users can process payments and make payments for the particular services is booking for. So now, when we process this payment, the booking was successfully, and this booking will be sent to the provider of this particular service. So let us click on continue, and the user will be directed to where it's going to recheck the reviews, the summary of the booking and the payment summary and the payment method the user choose. The user can change the payment method, but we're not changing the payment method. Let's use this particular payment method. So user can click on continue, and now a pop-up message come up. Congratulations, you have successfully made a payment and booked a service. User can click on continue, and user can also view e-receipts. So this is the e-receipts of our users. So user can view e-receipts as our recent sorry. So we've talked about this particular section here. So user can check the bookings. So users can check on either to view e-receipt or to cancel booking. User can have access this tab over here to differentiate or to filter upcoming booking, completed booking, and cancelled booking. User have access to this functionality, and users can view booking, cancel booking. User can continue to cancel the booking. User can check the booking overrides, his or her booking overrides, and user can also click on his booking overrides. On this booking page, user can check the review of this particular person rendering this particular service. User can also rate this user. User can go to scroll through the reviews this particular person has posted. User can click on message button to message this particular person before user is going to book for the services. So these are what users can do on this mobile app. And don't forget, you can also check your notification. If you have any notification,